As you already know, Grok has placed a paywall on video generation on their platform, which is honestly really annoying because before that, Grok used to be one of the best completely free AI tool that you can use to generate high quality images and videos with perfect lip sync. But you cannot really use it right now unless you enter your card, and that's quite sad. But do not worry, because in this video, I've got you covered. I'm going to share my 6 best free AI video alternatives to Grok that you can start using right now. And no, it is not paid. It is 100% free. It has perfect lip sync, generate high quality images and videos for free. So let's get started. So now the first on my list is Quen AI. Now this AI tool is not really talked about, and I think it's one of the most overlooked AI tool. But honestly, this is a gold mine that a lot of people are sleeping on. This AI tool was created by Alibaba, and it gives you access to a whole lot of different models. One of the easiest way to view Quen AI is by seeing it as ChatGPT, but a little bit more advanced than ChatGPT. On Quen AI, you can chat with it and give it prompts, and it gives you results just like ChatGPT would. And you can also create images using this platform, and you do not just create images, you can still turn those images you've created into videos. You can also upload images that you've generated somewhere and tell it to turn it into videos for you, and it will do it perfectly in here. So this is a very flexible tool for creators, so do well to check it out. Now the next one on my list is CapCut. Now you do not just use CapCut for editing videos. A lot of people do not know that there is a feature in CapCut that you can use to generate images and video. Over here at the left hand side of your CapCut, you're going to see this part that has AI videos. Once you click on it, you're going to see different model. It has the Dreamina and Cadence model in it. And once you click on the drop down bar, you're going to see other models that you can try out to generate images and videos. Now the Dreamina also supports multilingual dialogue, inbuilt advanced image and video generators that is mind-blowing. This can batch create images, create consistent characters for you with accurate realism and text. So do well to check this out. Another AI tool on my list is definitely Flow. Google Flow is an AI tool that I use regularly. As a new user, Flow would give you free 150 credits, which you can use to generate videos with perfect lip sync for free. If at all you want to generate images, image generation in here for Flow is 100% free. All you just need to do is to come over to this setting part and then set your model to either the image or the video aspect. You have your ratio and the numbers of videos or images that you need. And once you scroll through, you're going to see different model in here. And know that the VO3 and the NanoBanana Pro is free in here on Pro, which is something that you should try out. And they don't just give you 150 credits for free as a new user. You also get free 50 credits every single day on this platform that you can use to generate videos with perfect lip sync. So do well to check this out. So the next on my list is Imagine Art. And Imagine Art is really amazing because they give you free 100 credits that you can use to create videos and images, and if you're not satisfied with that, you can upgrade. But with this 100 credits, you actually can do a lot. Now this platform gives you some features like their text to video, their image to video, and it has video editor in here, so you can create your videos and edit them all in this platform. So in terms of features, they've actually got quite a bit packed into the platform, and the quality of their images and videos is really good. But in terms of consistency of the output of the images and video, you might really want to put in the work on how you prompt it, because if you give it a basic prompt, it might not really give you the kind of results that you might be going for. But otherwise, this is an amazing AI tool. So this is something I think you should definitely try out. And the next one on our list is Video AI, and this platform is really impressive when it comes to generating animated style videos. So if you're trying to create things that feel more like anime, cartoon, or 3D pixel footage, this is the best platform to use. And if your goal is to create more human-like videos or more realistic footage, then it is better to use other platform because this one has more strength on 3D than anime. Now, in terms of features, you can do a lot. You can go from the reference to video to the image to video, and there is also the text to video and a bunch of other things that you can do like AI face swap and AI video remaker. So overall, this is an amazing platform. And then the next on our list is Genmo AI. Now, this AI is kind of an open source style platform and it is honestly impressive. It is completely free, does not use a credit-based system, and it gives you access to some very strong video generation result. Now, the process is really simple. All you just need to do is to come to this prompt section and put in your prompt, and then you come over here and hit on generate, and you have your video ready. So do well to check this out. And I also have a bonus tool that I have been using and I think you're gonna like, and this is Quen AI. Quen AI is a really strong Chinese model that can do a lot of different things, but I'll have to warn you that the time it takes to generate videos on the free plan for Quen AI is a lot more than other platforms. It takes a whole lot of time to be able to get your output, but Quen AI gives you perfect lip sync and it also gives you amazing results. But if you want a faster result, you can just upgrade for their paid plan, but the free one is pretty much amazing. So let me know in the comment section which of this AI tool you're going to be trying out or which one is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video.